Look no further than the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, alarm. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.